Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Glitter Crunch box. This is a monthly subscription box from Joy to the World Ornaments. They make hand-blown glass ornaments. Each of these contains one of their collectible ornaments. The boxes are themed, however. There's 4 to 6 themed items in here. It's $59 monthly. I think that's all I have to tell you. It has $120 to $150 retail value, which is amazing. The boxes are really cute. I have reviewed this before. I reviewed it around Christmas time though, and it was very Christmassy. This is a coffee themed box. It smells like coffee. So this is a little sticker from Vienna Coffee Company. So here's a coupon code for Vienna Coffee Company and a little bit of their story. I'm not going to share that. It might be subscriber only. And here's our insert. And then everything is listed right here. They have retail values, which is really cool, because then you can, look at that and really sum up the value of the box. All right, but if you're interested in that, I'm going to link to my full review below. I always do that in my full review. I don't do that in the unboxings. I'll also link to Glitter Crunch box as well, so you can check that out. All right, so let's just go right into their figurine, because here it is. I love we got like this little Santa going down a chimney. It is gorgeous. So it comes in its collectible box, and it has like white fluffies. Right, here it is. Look! Crunch coffee! It's a coffee mug! Oh my goodness! oh my gosh, my girlfriends, we always get coffee together. That's like kind of our joke. I know every set of girlfriends is like the coffee girlfriends, right? But isn't that cute? I gotta show them. I might even share. I'm lying. Alright, what else is in here? Alright, we've got, Wheeler's Southern Pecan Delicacies, Cappuccino Pecans. Yummy. Oh my god, there's so much in here. There is, what's in here? What is this? I'm not sure. A bunch of I'm not sures. Little beans. Oh lordy, this is in glass manufacturer. It's a German. Oh my gosh. And they're wrapped so carefully, guys. You don't have to worry about them. Well, I mean, you figure it's an ornament company. They're used to packing. How adorable. I'm gonna have to get a little tree to hang them on and keep it up all year long. You see my Christmas tree right there? I keep that baby on every night. That's like a reminder when I wake up in the night, I wake up periodically, that how happy I am. It just makes me happy. We've got some K-Cups from Vienna Coffee Company. There's a French roast. There is a house blend. And there's a front porch breakfast blend. That sounds fancy. Then we also have Sensational Sweets Chai Chipper with a Bark with a Bite. So these are little chai chocolate bites. How delicious does, oh my gosh. It's my child. She kicked the door. That's what that was. She came up and went, pow, with her feet. That's my child. Whoo, she got a temper. She's downstairs with Dad right now. So these are chai chippers, little chocolatey, I hope you guys can't hear her crying because she's still crying. It's loud. It's so loud. I'm so sorry. It's terrifying though. These look delicious. Keeping it real over here at the Ashley unboxing station. Okay, then we've got a Good Earth soap. This is Kitchen Clean, all natural handcrafted soap. 4 ounces. This smells like cinnamon and delicious. It's made in Green Bay, Wisconsin. I love soap. You guys know that. I love getting it. I love using it. I love it. I love it. And then, of course, some Vienna Coffee Company Highlands blend. This is 100% Arabica coffee. Cannot wait to use this. That's everything that I received in my Glitter Crunch box for. This is the March box. It's all coffee themed. Loving it. If you're interested in Glitter Crunch box, I'll link to them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.